All right, guys, 2016 Chevy Camaro built. Got a nice stage 1 cam, long tube headers, everything. We didn't do anything on it. It's a good friend of ours. He was just bringing it by to check for a rattle, and we found it. It's in the valve in the back. I'll show it to you guys. Long tube headers there and there. Goes into an X pipe right there, all 3 inches. You guys can see. Has no cats, nothing. We didn't do anything on it. It's got valves there and there. Why I wanted to do a video on it for you guys? Because it's got a hooker system on it out the back, a hooker bolt on. See the hooker up there? So it's got valves in them right there, and right there, and that valve right there is the valve rattling. You can hear it. It's an SS 6.2 liter. We'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think of it. It's running now at idle. It's about 87. So we'll have him rev it and get on it so you guys can see what a hooker system sounds like with long tube headers. Hooker gap back system. See the hooker? Go ahead. That was good. Yeah, it's running rich. It needs the tube. That's what that smoke you're seeing is. That's fuel. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 114. Hooker system, long tube headers. Mid is the same. Factory. Sure sounds badass though. What you guys hear on the inside? All right, man, 2016 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 cam, long tube headers, no cats, hooker exhaust. One of my favorites actually is the hooker exhaust. It sounds really good on this. It is not raspy at all. Nice.